Hello guys and welcome to the new episode. We're gonna start it with a clip where biker witnessed crazy car accident in which, luckily, nobody got seriously injured.
Hi there, I'm on a interstate highway and there was a 3-car wreck and it looks like 2 of the cars are totaled. And it's do you know what highway this is? 78, Highway 78. Yeah, it's a pretty bad wreck. The roadway is blocked. Yes, there is one police officer on scene though. It looks like he's taking care of traffic a little bit. He just hopped out of his patrol car. We may need an ambulance. I'm not 100% sure though. Okay. Hey, sir. Yes, sir. I just want to let you know, I actually got it on a video.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
The officers that are coming to investigate this, I'm just on my way home.
Yes, sir.
They're gonna want it.
Yes, sir.
In that
Yes,
thing,
sir.
okay?
You just said over here on the side?
Yeah, just move it over on this side so we can get traffic moving down this
Okay,
way.
sure thing. Yes, sir. Do you know if everyone's okay? Do you know if everyone's okay?
Yeah, everybody, she's a little hurt. She's a little shook up. She's bleeding in her marks
Oh,
on
I'm
her chest.
Oh.
Did you see the accident?
And I got it on video. Is it still blinking?
You got it?
I think so, yeah.
Oh my god,
Yeah,
thank you
blinking.
so much.
I don't, what happened, do you know? Because I saw that red truck, that red like lifted truck. I saw him like drift out.
This guy?
He wasn't paying attention or something.
He drifted out at oncoming?
Yeah, or something like that.
Was he in front of her?
I have no idea. All I saw was like a red truck, or not red truck, I'm sorry, like a black truck, lifted truck that like spinned out after this red truck slowed down to turn. I'm sorry?
He left?
I think so, maybe. Because I remember he hit the guardrail. Yeah, he's not there no more. I think he did leave, yeah. Because this was a 3-car accident, I remember. And only 2 of the cars are here, right?
I thought it was you when I pulled up and I was like,
Oh, no, sir.
He's okay?
is that him?
I have no idea, sir.
Are you okay?
I think so.
Yeah, just breathe and you'll, just breathe.
You want to sit in my truck or are you
No,
good?
I'm okay.
Oh, they're coming.
They're probably going to want to take you to the hospital, check you out. Apparently there's a black truck involved in the accident that's gone. You got it all locked down. Okay, that's fine. Just hold on to it.
Snow on the road and motorcycles are 2 things that don't combine very well.
Oh, compadre.
Era el dominó.
Era el dominó la weá. Acá hay un guante, no sé quién es. La mano. Todo tan re lindo. Yo no fui. Eso.
Está escondido acá.
Se escondió. No, si fue fuerte.
¿Ah?
Si fue fuerte, yo no.
Todavía no tengo regular y venía frenando la maquinaria que veía ahí,
La culpa es la ST.
claro, oye, ¿están todos bien o no?
On the way home, this biker was involved in an accident where car pulled out straight in front of him. Biker had no time to avoid the inevitable. What do you think, guys? Did this biker had any other options, or he did the best thing he could do by laying his bike before impact?
That's the car there. It jumped into the air like this and swung across like that. You are really lucky to be alive. Okay, this off, get off the way.
σου γαμίσω. Cold roads and cold tires took out this biker as he entered the roundabout a bit too fast. Luckily, he didn't got injured.
Is it broke? You ain't broke, are you? Your leg ain't broke or anything, are you? You sure? Yeah, you're back. Are you good, dude? Right? Yeah, that Lee Summit comp was like, you need me? I was like, for what? He goes, for this. I was like, nah. He's like, all right, have a good day. For what?
This biker was aware of the fact that loud noises and sudden movements can have potential impact on the horses. It can cause them to become spooked and potentially dangerous to themselves and others. And that's it for this episode. Guys, the new part of our brick house build is up. Make sure to check it out and please leave some feedback.